Welcome back once again to howtocookwithfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, nicely finished, beautiful, crispy on the outside, moist on the inside, chicken done in the air fryer. I love my air fryer. I use it loads and loads. If you haven't got one, get one. They're fantastic, I find. Some nice simple ingredients on it. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients for this really simple air fryer chicken. So I've got in there one chicken. It's like a 1 kg chicken that I've just cut into parts. And then I've got some olive oil, soy sauce, whole garlic cloves, you can chop it if you want, celery salt and black pepper. And then there I've got some Worcester sauce. Really simply, we're just going to put them in, give it a mix, goes into the air fryer, and it's pretty much done. Okay, really simple. So, soy sauce, Worcester sauce, olive oil or an oil that you want to use. I'm using olive, you could use something else. Some black pepper. The salt that I'm using today is a celery salt, which makes a big difference. Use regular salt if you want. And the garlic. If you wanted, put another herb in there, some oregano or some rosemary, something like that. Maybe some chopped onion. Simply, we're going to give that a mix and it goes into the oven. So depending on the type of air fryer you have, I've got this Black & Decker thing that works pretty well. It's got a tray in a tray. So there's the bottom of the tray and it's got a kind of basket there. So simply we're just going to drop that in. Pop it in. Now I'm going to go in at 200 for about 15 minutes. But halfway through, I'm just going to take it out and shake it up. That's it. Okay, so we're about halfway there. Let's just open that out. Hope you can just see that in there. But yeah. It's looking pretty good. Just gonna toss it over a little bit. Then we're gonna go back in for the remaining sort of 7 minutes or so. Okay, and there you go, really easy. I love having an air fryer. I use it quite a lot actually. That garlic's nice and soft, you can eat that. It'd be nice and sweet and soft. That's crispy on the outside, as you can see. It's gonna be perfectly beautiful inside. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.